Hello class, welcome back to your online class. Today we will be taking up the new chapter 6, Adolescence and Accompanying Changes. One of the distinguishable characteristics of a living beings is living beings grow and they have a certain lifespan. That means let us take the example of a dog. It gives birth to the puppy eventually grows into a dog, and you have kitten grows into a cat, baby born grows into a human being. So we can see a phase of growth in case of living beings, and they have a lifespan. That means once they are born, they are prone to die. Okay, so these are the two distinguishable characteristics of a living beings. In this particular chapter, we will be discussing first about the different stages of growth in human beings. Okay, and then we will be focusing on teenage, the stage of growth. That's teenage, or you can term it as adolescence also. Okay, we will be focusing on that particular stage. So the growth of a human being can be further categorized into 4 stages. You have infancy, childhood, teenage and adulthood. Infancy starts from your birth till 2 years. Childhood from 2 years to 13 years. Teenage from 13 years to 18 years. And your adulthood from 18 years and above. Okay, among these 4 stages, we will be focusing on teenage. Teenage, it starts from 13 to 18 years. It might even vary. It might start from 10 years, then live up to 18 years. Okay, a teenage is also termed as the stage of stress and storm, because lots of bodily changes is taking place at this stage, because of which teenagers are in the state of confusion. Okay, so it's a very much crucial step, because in this particular stage lots of changes are going on in the body, because of which it can be seen physically as well as they undergo emotional changes. Okay, and it's in the teenage that boys and girls attain puberty. Now what is puberty? Puberty is the stage onset of sexual maturity. Now what does that mean? That means in this stage the sexual organ, reproductive organs of both the girls and boys are mature, because of which they are capable of undergoing reproduction. Okay, so they attain puberty. Now puberty, girls, they attain puberty much earlier to that of boys. Okay, now during this stage both boys and girls, they undergo physical changes as well as emotional changes. And physical changes, the characters which are visible from outwardly, we can distinguish that okay, this particular person is undergoing is in his or her teenage. The characteristic which marks the appearance of a teenage or attainment of a teenage is known as secondary sexual characteristics. Secondary sexual characteristic means the outer appearance, the change in the outer appearance which marks the attainment of a teenage, which enables other to know that this particular person has attained a teenage. Okay, so that characteristics are referred to as a secondary sexual characteristics. Now next we will be discussing about the secondary sexual characteristics which is visible in both boys and girls after they attain teenage. Okay, first let us discuss about the different physical changes that occurs in both boys and girls once they attain a teenage. Okay, number 1 would be change in the voice. Okay, in case of girls, their voice would be high pitched or shrill, and in case of boys, they will have a protruding Adam's apple. This region would be protruding out, and they would have a coarse or very hoarse voice. Okay, that's the change in the voice that it's seen in case of boys and girls. Okay, next one would be change in height. After this pandemic gets over and you come to the school, most of us will not be able to recognize you people also, because you will be growing, because your height would be increasing as compared to your when you were previously here, right? You all might have grown in height. Okay, so you can see a tremendous growth in the height in case of the height. Change in the height can be seen in both cases, in boys as well as in case of girls, and bodily changes also takes place. Now in case of girls, the breast starts appearing, okay, and in case of boys, the shoulder broadens, the chest are wide, okay, and in case of girls, the hip becomes wider. Okay, that bodily changes can also be observed in case of teenage. Okay, now next would be now onwards you might even have till now you might be having a clear skin, but now onwards you might even have a pimple or acne in your faces. Now that is because in teenage your sweat glands, your sebaceous glands are very much active, because of which your face might you can see appearance of few pimples or acne. Not to worry about it, you have to drink an ample amount of water that would check your acne or pimple. Okay, so in this stage you might even have pimples and acne over your face. Okay, not to worry, do not be horrified looking at it. Drink ample of water that would keep your pimples and acne in check. Okay, now next is the appearance of the pubic hairs. Now hairs might appear in your pubic region as well as in your armpit. This is also one of the secondary sexual characteristic of a sexual characteristic which is visible in the teenage. Now next, as I told you, in once you attain a teenage, you are reproductively capable, so your maturation of a reproductive organs takes place. Okay, and in case of girls, one of the characteristic events starts taking place, and that is onset of menstruation. Menstruation is after every 28 days there will be a bleeding from a vaginal region, that it's going to occur in the teenage. In case that's going to occur in case of girls. Okay, onset of the menstruation. So you have to take care of your health really well. You have to take food which are rich in iron, or else if because there will be a frequent loss of blood after every 28 days, because of which your hemoglobin amount might get reduced in the blood. Okay, because of which now your food, so you should focus in taking food which are rich in iron. Especially girls, you should take food which are rich in iron. Okay, in order to compensate for the loss of the blood that's taking place from your body every month. Okay, so these are the different physical changes that's occurring in a adolescence or a teenage of once a child attains a teenage. Okay, next day we will be discussing in detail about the emotional changes. These are the physical changes, means outer appearance, how by looking from outside also you can say that this particular person has attended the teenage. Next day we will be discussing about the emotional changes, what happens to your emotion, your mental health once you attain a teenage. Okay, that we will be discussing in our next class.